Hello, my dear students, how are you? Hope so you are fine at your home. So, dear students, in this video, I am going to tell about some homogeneous function and the homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So, if you talk about the homogeneous function, I have written we are taking a function of two variables x and y. Then we are saying that this function is homogeneous if it can be written in the form. I am taking two forms, x to the power n function of y by x. This here I am taking another function, or you say y to the power n function of x by y. So dear students, in homogeneous function you have to remember one thing, that if you are taking common x to the power n, then in the denominator we are having x, and if we are taking common y to the power n, then we are having y. Okay. Just like I am taking one example, fxy equal to x square plus xy plus y square. Rather, you can see from here that here are three terms and each term is having degree 2. This term is having degree 2, this is having xy, but both x and y are having power 1 and 1, and so 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have to check in this way the degree of each term. Plus y square means to say if degree of each term in a function is same, then you can also say that it is the homogeneous function. Just like suppose I am taking x square plus y, it is not a homogeneous function. Why? Because degree of second is 1 and first is 2. But if you look at this, suppose I am taking x plus y upon x minus y, we are talking about a rational function. So if you look at this, here both terms having degree 1, both terms in the denominator also having degree 1, that's why it is a homogeneous function. Okay, its degree can be 0, its degree can be in fraction, no problem, its degree can be positive, its degree can be negative. Okay, so if we look at this fxy, we can take x square common. Clear? X square common, so it is having 1, it is y by x, it is y by x square. So we have written in this form x to the power n function of y by x, y by x, y by x square, it is y by x to the power 0. So dear students, in the next what we are going to do, we are going to solve homogeneous differential equation. So we are saying that a differential equation of the form dy upon dx equal to pxy upon qxy, where both px and y qxy are homogeneous functions of same degree. So you must remember that this p and q both must have the same degree and both must are homogeneous. Then we say that it is the homogeneous differential equation. Clear? So dear students, to solve such kind of equations, there are two methods. Either you put y equal to vx or you put x equal to vy. Either you put y equal to vx or you put x equal to vy. You have to make substitution in the form of either y you put in form of x or x you form in the form of y. Just like I am taking one question, you have to solve x into x minus y dy plus y square dx equal to 0. So how we can solve it? There are two methods. First of all, check that is it homogeneous. Okay. So we are taking y square dx to this side and x minus y to the right side. And we are computing dx by dy, because I am going to simplify it by this x equal to vy. That's why I am taking dx upon dy. Okay. Rather you can compute dy by dx first and then you can write the value of dx by dy. Choice is yours. But here I am taking dx upon dy. That's why dx upon dy to this side and y square to that side. Then we are getting minus x into x minus x square, minus plus, it is x square. So we are making the substitution x equal to vy. We are differentiating both sides with respect to y. So it is dx upon dy, and here v is also a function of y. Remember that. Clear? So we differentiate it by the product rule. V as it is, derivative y is 1 plus y as it is, derivative of v is dv upon dy. So we make use of 2 in 1, putting the value of dx by dy in 1. What we are getting, it is dx by dy. So value is this v plus y dv by dy, and in the right side what we are doing, we are putting x equal to vy. So y was also there, so v into y square minus x square is v square y square upon y square. So y square common, cancel out, so we are having just v plus y dv by dy equal to v minus v square. Okay. So again this we cancel out. So what we are having, y dv by dy equal to minus v square. Basically now it is the same problem which we have solved earlier, that we are separating the variables after this step. Separating the variables means to say terms of v one side and terms of y another side. Clear? Because we are removing x. That's why now terms of v one side, terms of y another side. Clear? So it is minus dv by v square equal to dy by y. When we integrate it, it is dv upon v square is minus 1 upon v, minus plus, so it is 1 by v. dy by y is log y. Because log y is there, that's why we are adding constant in the form of log c. But it is not necessary, you can just write c also. But generally when we are getting answer in the form of log, we add the arbitrary constant in the form of log. So that's why 1 upon v equal to log y plus log c. So value of v was x upon y. So we take the reciprocal, that's why y by x equal to log m plus log n is log m into n. That's why it is log cy. So we cross multiply that. So what we get, y equal to x log cy. So we get the answer. So dear students, the method to solve homogeneous differential equation is that you make substitution either this or this, then separate the variables. If you are putting y equal to vx, then we separate v and x. If we are putting x equal to vy, then we separate v and y, and then we integrate. Okay.